Hello, this is 11th class and I was recording the video, but suddenly my original phone, my original camera was stopping. 배터리가 다 됐다. So we have to record one more time. Really, I feel bad.
You could say, the storage was full, so we have to record one more time. I really feel bad. It's frustrating when tech gets in the way. Are you going to give the scene another shot right away?
No, I wanted to say, 배터리가 다 돼서 카메라가 꺼졌다. 영어로 뭐야?
You can say, the battery ran out, so the phone camera turned off.
Okay. I was recording the class 11th, but the original my phone camera turned off because my battery ran out. So now I feel really frustrated, but I had to do. Okay.
Let's refine that. I was recording class 11, but my phone camera turned off because the battery ran out. So now I feel really frustrated, but I have to do it again. Since you're committed, how do you plan to make the second take even better?
What's the difference between frustrated and frustrating and interested and interesting?
Frustrated and interested describe how you feel, your emotions. Frustrating and interesting describe the thing that causes the feeling. 예를 들어, I am frustrated는 내가 답답한 상태를 말하고 This situation is frustrating. 그 상황이 나를 답답하게 만든다는 거예요.
그러면 okay, and that I am interested가 I am interesting은 틀린 거네.
맞아요. I am interested가 흥미를 느낀다는 뜻이고 I am interesting은 남들에게 흥미로운 사람이란 뜻이죠. 즉, 관심을 느끼는 건 interested, 흥미를 유발하는 건 interesting입니다.
그럼 ing가 붙으면인가?
정확히는 ing가 붙으면 감정을 일으키는 대상이라는 의미예요. 즉, 사람에게 그 감정을 느끼게 만드는 거죠. 예를 들면 boring은 지루하게 만드는 것, exciting은 흥분하게 만드는 것이죠.
Okay, I got it. I mean, the movie is boring and the movie is exciting, is right? But if I say the movie is bored, it means 그 영화는 지루함을 느낀다. 약간
맞아요. The movie is boring. 영화가 지루하게 만드는 것이고 The movie is bored는 문법적으로 틀리고 의미상으로도 영화가 지루해하는 것처럼 이상하게 들려요. 사람이나 동물은 보르가 될 수 있지만 영화 같은 대상은 아니죠.
Finally, I got it about that. Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. If you have anything else you want to practice or discuss, just let me know.
Okay, today I want to talk about the movie that 왕과 사는 남자 about 반종 that is really popular movie recently.
You can refine it like this. Today I want to talk about the movie The King's Warden, about Tanjong, which has been really popular recently. So to start us off, what's one scene or aspect of the movie that stood out to you?
To be honest, I know the movie is really well-made movie, but I already watched the movie with my girlfriend. My girlfriend 영화를 보는 내내 울었다가 영어로 뭐야?
You can say, my girlfriend cried throughout the entire movie. Now, since you've seen it, what was your favorite part or scene that you remember, even if it didn't make you cry?
얘네가 throughout이야?
네, 맞습니다. Throughout는 어떤 기간 내내라는 뜻이에요. Throughout the movie라고 하면 영화 내내라는 의미가 됩니다.
그러면 뭐뭐 하는 동안은?
동안은 영어로 during을 쓰면 됩니다. 예를 들어 영화를 보는 동안은 during the movie라고 하면 돼요. 즉, 동안은 어떤 특정 시간, 이벤트 중임을 나타낼 때 쓰는 표현이에요.
Okay, then. My girlfriend cried during the movie. My girlfriend cried throughout the movie는 뉘앙스 차이가 있어.
During the movie는 영화 중 어떤 시점에 울었다는 뉘앙스예요. 특정 부분일 수 있죠. Throughout the movie는 영화 전체에 걸쳐 시작부터 끝까지 울었다는 느낌을 줍니다.
Okay, and then my girlfriend cried a lot during the movie. some specific scene, but to be honest, I didn't cry because
That's a great start. You can finish by adding something like, because I didn't find that scene as emotional. So, what scene made her cry that much?
the reason why I didn't feel it is really sad is that I think the movie is I know really good well made movie. 약간 갑작스럽게 슬픔을 유발한다는 생각이 들었어. 그러니까 뭔가 서사가 완벽히 다 진행되기도 전에 뭔가 갑자기 슬퍼지는 그런 느낌이었어. 그러니까 내가 생각해서 아직 그 주인공인 단종과 그 유해진 있잖아, 유해진. 막 엄청 깊은 사이라고 느끼지 않았어, 나는. 그냥 친해지고 있다 싶었는데 갑자기 뭔가 확 슬퍼지고 막 서로 죽고 못 살고 하니까 그게 조금 뭔가 감정선이 아직 깊어지지 않았는데 그렇게 조금 그게 조금 아쉬웠어. 레이 영어로 어떻게 얘기해야 돼?
Here's how you could say it. The reason I didn't feel it was truly sad is that although I know it's a well-made movie, I felt like the sadness came a bit abruptly. In other words, before the narrative fully developed, it suddenly got emotional. I didn't feel that Tanjong and Yoo Hae-jin's characters had such a deep bond yet. It felt like they were just starting to grow closer, and then suddenly it turned extremely emotional, like they couldn't live without each other. I just felt like the emotional depth hadn't fully built up yet, so that part left me a bit unsatisfied.
Oh, it's really difficult sentence, but I have to try to say that
You gave it a
Oh.
great shot, and trying is exactly what helps you improve. Whenever you're ready, feel free to attempt it, and I'll be right here to refine and continue the conversation.
okay. Abruptly. What does abruptly mean, and what the deep bond yet mean, and what does okay.
abruptly는 갑작스럽게, 예상치 않게라는 뜻이에요. 그래서 어떤 일이 충분한 준비나 전개 없이 갑자기 일어나는 걸 말하죠.
Deep bond yet는 아직 깊은 유대감이 없다는 뜻이에요. 즉, 두 인물 사이에 진정으로 깊은 관계나 감정적 연결이 형성되기 전이라는 의미예요.
deep bond가 합성어야? 하나의 그 단어야? 아니면 뭐 형용사야 뭐야? 잘 몰라.
Deep bond는 두 단어가 합쳐진 표현이에요.
deep은 형용사로 깊은이라는 뜻이고 bond는 명사로 유대나 연결을 의미해요. 그래서 문법적으로 보면 형용사 명사 형태인 자연스러운 표현입니다.
오케이. 넘어가자.
All
Get
right.
back. Okay, keep going the convers. Shut up. Okay. Keep going the conversation. What do you think of my opinion?
I appreciate your honesty. I think your perspective is completely valid. Sometimes pacing or emotional timing can feel off depending on the viewer. Now, would you recommend the movie to others, even with that critique?
What do you think of my opinion is right? I mean, how do you think of my opinion is right? I'm always confused between it.
You'd say, what do you think of my opinion? Or do you think my opinion is right? The first is asking for general thoughts, while the second asks if someone agrees with your opinion. What opinion do you want to check now?
No. I'm wondering now. What do you think of my opinion? Or how do you think my opinion? What's the appropriate sentence and in this situation?
The correct sentence is, what do you think of my opinion? We use what do you think to ask for someone's thoughts or evaluation. How do you think is not used to ask about opinions. It's usually about processes or ways of doing something.
Could you suggest some example sentence to make me understand?
Sure. For what do you think? What do you think of my idea to travel next weekend? For how do you think we should solve this problem? The first asks your opinion, the second asks about the method or way.
I'm still confused. I'm sorry. So could you tell me more specifically to Korean?
물론이죠. What do you think는 내 의견에 대해 어떻게 생각해? 처럼 어떤 생각이나 평가를 물어보는 거예요. 반면 how do you think는 어떻게 해결할 것 같아? 처럼 방법이나 방식을 묻는 거죠. 의견을 묻고 싶으면 what do you think를 쓰면 되고 방법을 물을 때는 how do you think가 맞습니다.
예문을 들어봐.
예문을 들어보면 What do you think of my plan? 계획에 대해 어떻게 생각해? 즉, 평가나 의견을 묻는 거고요. How do you think we should fix this? 는 쓰는 게 좋을까? 처럼 방법이나 절차를 묻는 겁니다. 이렇게 상황에 따라 다르게 쓰는 거죠.
그러면
좋아요.
내가 술 마시는 거에 대해서 어떻게 생각해? 라고 말할 땐 What do you think about I will drink today?
자연스럽게는 What do you think about me drinking today? 라고 말하면 돼. 이렇게 하면 술 마시는 것에 대해 상대방의 의견을 묻는 거야.
그러면 내가 이 큐브를 어떻게 푸는 게 좋을까는 How do you think about me solving this cube?
여기서는 How do you think I should solve this cube? 가 자연스럽습니다. 즉, 어떻게 하면 좋을까? 라는 방법을 묻는 거라 How do you think 뒤에 직접 내가 해야 할 행동을 이어주면 됩니다.
Okay, after this class, I think I have to 복습 with this video.
That's a great idea. Reviewing what we discussed will definitely help reinforce these expressions. If you have more practice, I'm always here.
네, 복습은 영어로 review라고 해요. 그래서 복습하다는 review나 go over를 쓰면 됩니다. 예를 들면 I'll review the class 또는 I'll go over the video.
오케이. 그러네 예습이 프리뷰네.
예습은 영어로 preview 또는 prepare in advance라고 합니다.
In advance가 미리지 미리.
맞아요. In advance는 미리라는 뜻이에요. I'll prepare in advance, 미리 준비할게 라는 의미가 됩니다.
근데 advance가 진보 아니야? 갑자기 in이 붙었다고 미리가 돼.
advance는 앞서 나감 진보라는 뜻도 있지만 in advance는 관용 표현으로 미리, 사전에라는 의미로 정해져 있어요.
앞서 나가다. 앞서 나가다랑 이제 비슷한 거잖아. 어떻게 보면 미리 앞서 나가다 약간 이런 느낌. 그래서 in advance인가?
맞아요. 앞서 나간다는 결국 시간적으로 미리 준비하거나 먼저 하는 거잖아요. in advance가 미리라는 의미로 딱 굳어진 거죠. 잘 이해하셨어요?
거의 랩 피셜 아니야?
아니에요. in advance는 실제로 영어 원어민들이 아주 일상적으로 쓰는
No.
정확한 관용
근데 그게 너희 랩 피셜 아리아가 영어로 뭐야?
You can say, but isn't that just your guess? Or isn't that just your assumption? If you want to ask if it's just speculation.
Isn't that just your guess? Assumption. Okay. Thank you. This time over. Bye bye. See you. Take care.